This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Debbie Foreman. Great curb appeal in Woodvale/Alleman school districts, wood flooring, 9 feet plus ceilings in some rooms, split floor plan, 4 bedroom plus office, could be 5th bedroom, 3 full baths, large garage with storage/workshop/art room. If this doesn't get your attention, this might, priced below recent appraisal. Extremely spacious rooms. Architecturally designed kitchen addition has cool ceiling treatment with lots of natural light as well as tons of granite counter space. Rear yard consists of gazebo with ceiling fan, perfect for morning coffee or afternoon sips, 2 large ponds and lush greenery. This is being cleaned up, but estimates have been obtained to remove and install sod, by buyer. Home has been well maintained, has a few